Korasi kyombegete tawachali ne chimbebe Iebc NIGO litkolia lero batwara Amasabo abene n'abarayi ibechikanisa ilikwanekia obokoreri obya
Bakamishona abo niko bono bayesokire na kwegerera egetambokero kyabo nabo emiroberio iri bagenderete kubeka yogochia kwanekia buna bachi Koarigania obochori bore BW'OBONENE no BW'OBOCHORI ku omwaka ogochi.
If you look at elections in Kenya, everything is said to be going very well, except when we start now processing results. As we speak now, there are people who have gone to court to say that results will be final at the constituency level. We know results are final at the polling station. That debate will become live, and we must discuss it and know which is the result path and how do we process the result in Kenya differently. First of all, for efficiency and timeliness and being very quick, and also to result processing is concerned. So please participate in that debate. Of course, the issue of communication and media briefing, ensuring that we are regularly briefing you on what is happening around. Post-election accountability, result declaration, dispute resolution. I've talked about edit and scrutiny, which is allowed, and of course, judicial redress. We expect that by October 2026, when the election period is being declared, we have a clear path of result, transmission, declaration, and how it will happen. Currently, internally, we have a task force that is looking at resource processing, and we expect that report will come out, and the Director of Commission is here. I know he's following up on that. I think you go ahead because I want to go very fast. Now, collaboration with faith actors, where we expect you to come in. First of all, voter education and awareness, as Chairman has mentioned. Please disseminate accurate and personal information, and you counter misinformation. Yeah, if you get anything and you are not sure about it, please verify. We operate a lot of information, and therefore any verification can be done. So I request that let all of us verify information before it is gone out of proportion. In this era of AI, you are going to see voices that look like it's the chairman who has spoken. Before you start sharing, please verify whether it's there. The truth, they are going to caricature chairperson, and they are going to caricature all of us, and we shall be said to have said something. Please, let's verify information in the era of AI. We expect that you shall help us in peace building and social cohesion. This requires that we are not partisan as religious leaders. Please, this time, and I'm saying nothing, I'm not saying anything, but this time let's not be partisan. Let's focus. We have a nation to protect, and all of us, we are responsible for a nation.
Wanchi muri ya kurwa soro wati uruni oto ikira mwaelio